What's going on, guys? Back with another Larry video. So if you've been following along, you know that we just got done ripping the lift kit out of the red truck. Well, today's video is all about getting it prepped and ready to go in Larry, which I am so incredibly excited to get this thing sitting tall. This has been a long time coming, but like I said, we just pulled it out of that truck and it looks terrible right now. We got spray paint on the front cross member. We got oil and grease and all kinds of junk on the rear. It's going to take a lot of cleaning. Obviously, we got to strip all of this down to bare metal, and then we are going to paint it, which I have not fully decided what we're going to go with paint wise, but we'll figure that out as we go. Probably going to be a couple different days chopping up, working on this thing after work, but we're going to get it knocked out this week because hopefully next weekend we're going to be installing it on Larry. I'm so freaking excited. So with that being said, let's get Larry Bear in the basement and get this process started. I just bought this exact can at Advance Auto for $10 and it's $16.99. Great price. Yeah, right. We finally secured the last piece of the puzzle. Can actually get this video started now. Time to start stripping all of this junk off. Got the whole lift kit here. Sway bar is over there. We're gonna try to do that as well. We're gonna get all these looking nice and new, hopefully. So I guess let's start getting all this paint off. Go ahead and hit these things with some degreaser. Try to get all this stuff stripped off of here. I'm not even gonna like wire brush this back one because the original paint or whatever is still good on it. It's just got a bunch of grease and oil all over it. I ended up digging up Larry's old sway bar. The truck had one on it, but the bushings for the links were bad, so I just took it off because it was rattling super bad. But I found little bend in this, the one that come off the red truck. So we're just gonna use the one from Larry Bear. I know this might be controversial in 2022 because everything has to be super flashy and colored and all this kind of stuff, but I'm just painting them with good old Rust-Oleum undercoating, because if you've seen Larry's frame, you know it's not looking too hot. So the plan is we're going to go back and do Larry's entire frame, get that all sanded, all the rust off, and then paint it. So we're just gonna have it all matching. I do like certain lift kits with them being you know, a bright color or chrome or whatever, but this specific kit, it's not the best looking. I don't really think it is something that I want to make stand out. So we're just gonna give it all these parts that we've been working on in this video fresh undercoating, which is gonna give it a nice black look, and obviously coat it as well. So if you were hoping for some kind of crazy color, sorry, but I think this is gonna look really good. And then we might go back with that Fabtech plate. Might do that in a color, might do that in chrome. We'll see, let me know. But as for now, it's time to start spraying these things. All right, guys, we have put all of our final coats on. Gonna let these babies cure overnight. As y'all know, we're running through the videos this month because we are on that streak, boys. So this is gonna be the end of this video. You'll have to tune in to the next video, which is gonna be me tomorrow, actually installing all of this on Larry. So you'll have to tune into that to see the finished dried product. I think it's gonna turn out good. And then obviously once we do Larry's frame, it's gonna look amazing. We're not doing that tomorrow. Probably should before we put this on, but I am super eager to put that on. I know that's gonna be a very time consuming video to sand Larry's frame down and everything, but got the whole lift, the springs, sway bar. Hopefully we don't skin it up putting it in. I'm gonna try my best, but that's a good thing about using this product, because if we do skin it up, we have plenty of the undercoating to just respray it. So yeah, anyways, hopefully y'all did enjoy. Comment down below. Oh, I almost forgot. Here's a little Fabtech plate. Should I polish this out? Rivet it back on there? Leave it off? I don't know. I guess I'm gonna leave it off for now, but y'all comment down below and let me know. I'm gonna hang on to it. We can always go back. Maybe I'll paint it. Thought about painting black, but then the letters be colored. I don't know. Y'all let me know. Anyways, I'm gonna quit rambling. Hope y'all did enjoy. I will catch y'all in the morning.